Ever had a payment processor freeze your funds out of nowhere? It can completely hold your business overnight. Here's what I'm doing. I'm scanning Stripe's terms to see if they mention holding funds. You can do the same with PayPal. It is a quick way to know where the risks are before they actually affect your account. Of course, this only shows you potential issues. It doesn't stop them from happening. This is where EasyPay Direct comes in. They underwrite your merchant account upfront, so your business model is understood before you start processing. You get features like hosted checkout and recurring billing to keep payments flowing smoothly. You also take advantage of white glove support for extra guidance. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can explore it today. And because it's built for content creators, you also get chargeback mitigation, helping keep your transactions safe and your cash flow stable. Getting started is simple. Just fill out the sign up form on their page, and you will have a reliable merchant account ready for your business. You can find the link in the description to get started today.